Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the, wait for it, the AOC AGON CU34G2X 34-inch super wide gaming monitor. This monitor right here is the AOC AGON CU34G2X gaming monitor. It has a 1500R curve to it and it's 34 inches wide with a resolution of 3440 times 1440. It has a refresh rate of 144 Hz with a 1 millisecond response rate, as well as supporting FreeSync with a 21.9 aspect ratio. It has a brightness of 300 nits and comes with two HDMI 2.0 ports, as well as two display 1.4 ports for your monitors. It also has an audio output, as well as supporting four USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports as well. I've always wanted a large super wide curved gaming monitor, and the AOC AGON CU34G2X has it all. It has this really nice curved design, a 1500R curve. It has a beautiful screen. Although the screen is very large, it does have a very good viewing angles. You can actually swivel the screen up and down, and also left and right, as well as adjusting the height of the screen as well, up and down. What I like about this monitor is that it offers a really wide resolution of 3440 times 1440, which means I'm able to do some really nice video editing as well, and it's perfect for that application. Other features include the 144 Hz refresh rate, as well as the 1 millisecond response time, perfect for gamers, and of course it has the ActiveSync or FreeSync support, which allows you to get that extra frame rate and smoothness while gaming. The super wide aspect ratio of 21:9 plus the 1500R curve gives you that really immersive gaming experience. The monitor also comes with a very sturdy base and monitor stand to give you the extra stability. The overall build quality of this monitor is really good, and it comes with a 3-year warranty, which is excellent. The only thing I think that's missing maybe is the LEDs, some extra LEDs at the back. That'll give you some gaming preferences. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing and you can actually select the different ports. You have 2 display ports and 2 HDMI. I'm just using the display port. And here we have the monitor information, including the resolution and refresh rate. Here we have the brightness and contrast controls. You can also select the HDR modes, which includes picture, movie and gaming. Next we have the color setup, which allows you to control the color temperature of your monitor. The picture boost allows you to further control the brightness and color, as well as the vertical and horizontal positions. There's also the on-screen display setup, which allows you to change the positions, language and transparency. And next we have the picture-in-picture mode, which is pretty self-explanatory. And finally we have the game settings. There are a total of 6 game settings which you can select, and you can select it right here. Okay, so in order to run the monitor at 144 Hz, there's a couple of settings that you need. Right click and select the display settings, then scroll down to the advanced display settings. There you'll find the refresh rate. Select 144 Hz and press apply. To double check that the monitor is running at 144 Hz, let's go to the UFO test and see if it actually runs at 144 Hz. Here we go, 144 Hz. Perfect. And there you have it, guys. That was a quick look at the AOC AGON CU34G2X curved gaming monitor. A really good super wide curved gaming monitor with an aspect ratio of 21:9, offering a resolution of 3440 x 1440. It comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate with a response time of 1 millisecond and supports FreeSync as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.